Good morning, YouTube. We are going to continue working on the clutch and exhaust install on our Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan, and that is Adam.
Yeah,
I don't know if you can see him because of the lights.
Oh, this is not a glamorous life we lead here. Before we started this, Dan was like, anything in my teeth?
I didn't get anything in my teeth today.
No, you're good.
Believe me, they'll nitpick that.
It's just really weird that you showed me your teeth before we do this.
I just ate a bunch of pretzels.
I know, it's just what a weird thing.
This is the life I live.
Which I understand why.
If I
It's
have
just-
some in my teeth, you guys will do nothing
No,
but focus on my teeth.
I'm not shaming you for it. I'm just saying what a bizarre life I lead now.
As you can see, we have a lot of work to go still, but we're going to do what we can and try and get as far as we can today. Real quick, if you want to support us, please like, share, and subscribe. And of course, go visit normalguysupercar.com. There you can buy parts and services for your car, including that Klein exhaust over there, which we'll be installing.
Which is
we'll show
hidden.
you. Yeah, it's hidden. And it's glorious. Oh, look at that thing. Look
It's
at
super
that.
light.
Yeah, it's all in canal.
Even my bitch ass is able to lift it up with one hand.
A lot of the car has been removed. We have all the rear braces and stuff. We have the exhaust removed. We have the intake boxes removed. We still got to get out this oil reservoir, so that needs to come out. Still got to get out the catalytic converters. Got to remove the F1, or the actuators, I should say. We've got to remove those. And of course, there's a bunch of hoses and stuff that we still have to pull off. So once we get everything detached, we'll detach it from the bell house and then get a hoist in here and yank it on out of there. That's the plan of the day. Hopefully we can achieve it. All right, we got the catalytic converters out, so that was a little bit of a chore. To get access to them, we had to pull off these heat shields that are on the sides, and then we still have to remove the heat shield over the drive shaft right there. Still gotta get that one, and then we gotta remove this oil tank. So there's a few more things we have to get off the oil tank in order to pull it out, but it's basically ready to come out. And then we have just, you know, massive wires. Yay. Okay, we got most of the hoses out of the way. We still gotta disconnect the actuators. There is a return line for the actuators, all the stuff for the e-gear system. It's coming out slowly because it's probably still capped off up there, but we'll take care of that in a little bit. Still got to do all the bell housing bolts, but I think that's all the wires. Yeah, hopefully. Thanks, maybe, possibly. We'll find out. All right, we're going to attempt to pop off the actuators. Yeah, I gotta be gentle. So it's like all sealed with gasket sealer right there. Yeah, there's an actual pry bar in there, you know.
Is there?
Yeah, it's in the second drawer. All right, there you go. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
When you use the right tool.
How easy that came out. Jeez.
Okay. Woohoo! Yeah, we're gonna have to like tie that up
I
somehow.
should probably get a plastic bag or something for it too.
This, we want to make sure nothing falls in there. That's more important.
Yeah.
I'm fine. Actually, let's just tape that up real quick. Okay, so we have straps around the transmission. We have, I believe, all of the bolts holding the transmission to the engine loose. So we still have the trans mounts mounted. We're just trying to get the slack taken out of this so that we can basically test everything, and then we'll break them loose and see if she flies. We also threw a jack underneath the engine just so it won't kind of teeter, kind of keep it stable once we get the transmission separated. Okay, we gotta do a little bit of wiggle. That was funny. I don't think you want to go up any higher. It's actually already put some...
You know, I wonder how much we're going to be able to wiggle it, because these are not going to allow it to go horizontally.
All right, do it at the same time. 1, 2, 3.
I think I went as far as I can go. Now maybe your side needs to go.
This may sound like a stupid question. You sure you got all the bolts off?
Yeah, it's moving. Yeah.
I mean, no, but it's not. That is definitely not a stupid question. I say we just pull these. If those are like the ones in the Ferraris, those are on there real tight. We still, don't forget, we gotta get that one wire still as soon as we get it back a little bit.
Give it.
All right, attempt number 2. Whoa. I wonder if there's still a nut, because it felt kind of like there was. Oh, yeah.
Almost. So close.
Oh, Jesus. This is where Josh would be like, don't be a little bitch.
Told you, don't be a little bitch.
She's got. All right, so we had to remove the secondary air lines to get that loosened up. I think that might be it. Oh yeah, that's it. That's it.
You're a genius, Dad. Leave it to the least mechanically inclined person in the room to figure it out.
I just had a different angle than you guys had.
Listen to him downplaying it.
I know.
It's like, no, I'm not that smart. No, seriously, you guys aren't that dumb.
I want the first dealership T-shirt now.
There you go. Yeah, you got to get it up and out of the way still to clear it. Oh, and it's getting stuck on the drive shafts.
The starter. It's on the starter here.
Okay. Gotta go higher.
Way higher. More.
Just trying to make sure I don't pinch stuff.
No, I was just letting you know. You still have to
It's also rotating.
probably Uno
God damn, that hurt. Oh, I just heard it pop clear.
Hold on.
It's stuck on the starter again.
No, the starter's clear. The starter is definitely clear. Nothing on this side of the sticker is holding it.
It's just getting bound up on these.
Yeah.
Just keep your feet clear. Okay, YouTube. That is our old clutch. Woohoo! I guess we gotta get that off. What a pain in the butt that was. Oh, this thing's dripping. All right, so check this out, YouTube. This is our throwout bearing, and here is our new one. Oops. And, well, first of all, it's a little bit different design. I actually saw that in some other stuff where they redid it, and as you can see, I can spin it. It makes no noise. Versus this guy, yeah.
Sounds like it was rolled around in a sandbox.
That thing is hosed. I am glad we're changing this thing out. That was on its last legs. Look at that, it even moves. Oh my God, that's in terrible shape. That's hilarious, that thing. Can you see that? Yeah, that's not good. Okay, we're gonna get this throwout bearing out. Oh, dang it. I need a swivel. Got it.
$1,000.
People are smoking crack. Yep. I don't want to f it up. Oh, damn it.
No, you got it loose.
Yeah, it leaked all over my f***ing shoe. Oh, there it goes. Yay. Alrighty, got the new O-rings in place, or the O-rings are in place, and now I'm just gonna put the new throwout bearing on the shaft. And then it's gotta actually line up just right. Shaft moves, bearing spins,
Yay.
all is good. Cool thing about these clutches is that they come with a matched flywheel, so you don't have to do any resurfacing, any of that crap. Basically what we need to do is undo all of those Allens, and then we can get the clutch off. Then we have to unbolt all of the bolts that are actually attaching it to the crankshaft. So I guess we'll do that first. Okay, clutch is off, so it's just those outer bolts holding the clutch to the flywheel. So again, this is a matched flywheel set, so it matches the clutch. Just a few little interesting things we were noticing about the old clutch. On this clutch, it was interesting, is the throwout bearing has actually worn a groove into the fingers of the clutch, which is fascinating. So you can see that one's all fresh and nice. These ones are all screwed up. Another quick thing to note is because these are matched sets, you gotta make sure that you align them correctly. So there are alignment marks right there on the side of it. So don't get those messed up. We gotta make sure we get those aligned correctly. Alrighty, flywheel is off. These are weird little M10s. So there's actually a lot of these M10s on this engine. It's fascinating. Pilot bearing, yeah, it's really good shape. That is awesome. I am very happy with that. So I don't think we need to replace it. We're going to leave it. By the way, one of these fluids really stinks. I don't know what it is. It smells horrible.
It does. It smells like butt.
It's straight butt. It's
Not,
terrible.
Not like hot lady butt. Like
no, like terrible.
hairy, fat dude, like Adam butt.
Adam butt. Okay, so we're going to have to separate the clutch and flywheel and then bolt the flywheel and then bolt the clutch up. So cool thing about the flywheel on these is they actually have a drive pin, so you can't really screw up aligning it wrong. There you go. So there, and actually I want to look, where is our clutch line that we align it to? So there's the 70X, which is just to, what is it? So it'll be drive pin, it'll be
At the 4-ish o'clock?
70. So it's this one, it's not 3, but 4, yeah, 4 o'clock. Okay, we put a tiny dab of blue thread locker on those, and now we're tightening them to
70 Newton meters.
70 Newton meters. And then there's, of course, a torque order. What is it, 11?
It's 11 o'clock.
11,
5 o'clock, 12:30.
12:30.
1:30.
1:30.
3:30. Then 7. Then 8. Then 9.
Okay. All right, got my clutch bolted up loosely. I still haven't tightened it down. These also go to 70 Newton meters, which was surprising to me. It has a strange torque order, so you actually go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's, sorry, yeah, it's weird. I've never seen something like that. Anyway, 70 Newton meters, here we go. All right, well, as luck would have it. So it said torque them to 70 Newton meters, and the bolt broke before I got to 70 Newton meters, so I'm not sure what's up. So, all right, we're gonna have to pull out the clutch and get that out of there somehow. So normally we're telling you all about our bad luck. In a stroke of good luck, bad luck, check this out. The screwdriver will actually spin the threads. So I think we're gonna be able to get it out. Oh, sweet mother of God, thank you. I needed a win here. So let me get that out. Oh, I can almost grab it on the other side. Let me get that out. All right, there we go. Got out the broken piece. We're gonna basically just reuse one of the old bolts, so that wasn't a big deal. We actually Googled it, and there was someone else that had the exact same problem, and basically what we can conclude is the service manual has the wrong torque specs. So I'm just gonna torque it until it's like really tight, good and tight. And it's got German parts, we're gonna do good and tight, and I think that's gonna be good enough because, well, we don't need to be snapping off another one of those. Okay, YouTube, let's show you where we're at. We've got the clutch in there. Oh, we can pull off the alignment tool. All right, clutch is in there. Yeah, that was a close call. Thankfully, we had the spare bolts, and thankfully that bolt came right out through the other side. So that was a little bit of luck, but obviously you do not want to do 70 Newton meters on those bolts. They are way too small. It's funny because Adam and I, he's like, oh, they're 70 Newton meters. And I'm like, no way. And he's like, that's what the book says. And I'm like, no way. And he's like, I'm going to show you. And he showed me the book. And I'm like, that's what the book says. And then I'm still like, I don't know, man. And as soon as I start doing it, I'm like, there's no way. And then snap. Yeah. All right, so that's all we got for today. We'll have to continue this tomorrow. So you'll want to like, share, and subscribe because, well, we're going to be continuing to work on this. We got the transmission. We got to put it back in place. We got to bleed the F1 system. We got to add new fluid. We got to break in the clutch properly. We got to put in the new exhaust. So we still got a ton of stuff to do. Hopefully we can get it done in probably, I'm guessing, 2 more videos. So stay tuned for all that. If you'd like to support the channel, please go visit normalguysupercar.com. We do appreciate when you guys can buy your parts and services through us. So we do sell aftermarket parts, and it helps us out and keeps the channel going when you do that. So use the code NGS10. It hooks you up with 10% off almost everything we sell. We are trying our best to make sure that you guys get a good deal. So thank you so much to all of you that are supporting us. But that's going to do it for this time. So we will see you soon. We're going to be doing a lot more cool car stuff. So you're going to want to stay tuned. It's going to be,
there's not another clutch.
yeah, it's going to be 70 Newton meters.